Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Malena Learning. I'm Amber. I've been talking about that very special sound. That's the big one. That's the little one. It is the for words like and, or amber, or it could be for something like, there's my sound. This is a puzzle. Maybe we can put it together. An for apple. Ta-da, they click together. I have another puzzle here today because this sound can actually be found in the middle of words. Words like cat. We've seen a cat before. Meow. There's a cat, but I actually have a cat puzzle here with us today. Let's have a look at it. Here it comes. We've got special letters k, a, t, and the letters a, t, and k. Of course, we can, if you can see them, a, t, and k. Let's solve this puzzle. The first one is a k. Where is it? Ping pong k goes on k. A. And the lucky last letter, of course, is t. T goes on t. And when they're in this order, we've got k, a, t for cat. I actually have another puzzle here. Meow. There's our cat. And I've got another word here. It sounds like cat, but it's definitely not cat. It is hat. K, a, t, h, a, t, and together, ping pong. The thing that makes cat sound like hat is this at sound, an at sound. An a, or at, is actually part of a word family. And I have a song about that. It goes something like this. It's called, I hope you can see that, it's called a word family. It goes like this. Our word family has something in common. Our word family has a rhyming sound. Our word family has the same letters. Our word family, you'll see them around. Let me introduce you to the at family. Lots of at work, all in the family. Cat, hat, rat, bat, sat, mat, all in the family. Cat, hat, rat, hat, sat, mat, all in the family. Cute song. I hope you enjoyed that. I'll see you next time. Have a good day.